on today to share a card and a couple of tags that I created. So let me go ahead and get started. I created this unicorn shaker card for my friend Sophia for her birthday, and I'll be sharing this after I give her the gift because I want something to be a surprise. So I've already shared with you guys the embellishment box that I made for her. So anyway, this was actually inspired by her because she created this shaker that I absolutely love. And it's so simple, but I just love playing with it. And if you guys watch Paper Sweets, Sophia, she creates her shaker with tulle. I think she's made vellum also. But that's how she usually makes her shaker. And so I decided to go ahead and sew since I bought another gold thread, and so I stitched. So I did use the paper from Michaels. It's that unicorn one, the 6x9, I think it is. Paper, Sparkle, something wow, I think it's called. Anyway, I shared that in one of my hauls. I just put some confetti bits, the new confetti bits that I have. Oops. And I did create, sorry, I did create my own little confetti bits with my unicorn punch. And it says, make today magical. So there's magical. I put a bow here that I created just using my Martha Stewart punch. And then, of course, I used tulle. So what I did first is I stitched, let's see, how did I do this? Okay, so I stitched the gold paper on top of the, the colorful striped paper here. And then after I stitched that, then I put the vellum, not the vellum, sorry, the tulle over this paper, this one right here, and then I stitched all around it. And then just for a nice clean finish, the excess of the tulle that was hanging over, I tucked in underneath here. And then I layered this whole piece to the basil paper, this mauve paper. So that's how the front looks like. And then on the inside, I have my message there, and I just decorated it with the rest of, the other papers from the paper collection, from the paper pad from Michaels. So obviously it's unicorn themed. And then I finished the back off as well. And then I stamped with my usual wood stamp. And I used, I keep forgetting to use these, but I'm just going to show you this Galaxy Gold Brilliance dewdrop. It's looks like that, and it is gold. So if you can, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I love it. It does have a shine to it, and then I just put my name. So that is my card for Sophia. Love that. And then I created a couple of tags because I'm going to be wrapping her gifts, and so I wanted it to be a really pretty package. So I was inspired by the shakers, one of the shakers from Hobby Lobby, which a friend of mine, Erica, my BFF, gifted to me, and now I kind of put it away. And I apologize because I did this video already, and I'm redoing it because I accidentally deleted it, and now I've just kind of put things away, and yeah. Anyway, there is a shaker tag that Hobby Lobby is coming out with now, and they're stitched, and they use the clear plastic though, and then stitch it, but I used, again, just kind of staying with the theme here and the way I created the card. I used a tulle, and then used some more confetti bits, and then just hung these this is a word strip from that paper pad, and this as well, and just put a little bling, flower bling there, and some twine. So really cute and simple. So as you can see, it kind of matches this one. And then I wanted to make some cute little embellishments, just a little bit for her. And I decided to use these 2 punches, which is really great. This one works really well. This one, I've barely used this one, but it seems to get kind of stuck if you're doing, if you're punching out thick paper. And I didn't even think my paper was that thick, but I'll share that in a minute with you guys. But yeah, just beware with these punches. They tend to break easier if you're punching out like glitter paper, you know, things that are thick. So just a heads up on that. But I was able to manage to cut a few. And see, this is the glitter cardstock, the coordinations paper that I used here from Joann's. And yeah, even this one, it had a hard time. This particular punch had a hard time punching through it. This one was able to punch through it. So I don't know. Not sure why, but it's the Fiskars. So for me, I think the EK Success punches are a little bit better, or at least not this kind of, you know, this style of punch. But so I layered a couple of ice cream. Now this one down here, I actually so what did I do? I used this punch, and then I cut it in, I punched it out in gold foil paper first, and then I embossed it. I used one of my embossing dies, and it's not really an ice cream embossing, not die, but embossing folder, but it has like that waffle design on it, and so it really worked out. And so that's what I used. And then I punched another 2 papers, these 2 colors, and then since, you know, it's one whole piece here, I just used my scallop scissors to just cut the top part off, just the ice cream part, and left out the cone. So and then I layered it, and then I just used some dimensionals or foam tape, and then it does come with the drop, as you can see here. It comes with that little ice cream drop. And then this is that Hobby Lobby unicorn sticker. Really cute, and it's so tiny. I love it. And then here I use that unicorn punch again, and I put the little unicorn heads on top of the cupcake, and then just use some confetti pieces there. So really cute and simple. And then this one does punch out the top and the bottom of the cupcake separately. So I think it came out really cute, and so I just put it on one of those tags from Michael's from the $2 bin. And there you go. And then I'm just going to package that. And then I made another simple tag, and I just cut out this banner. I love this one. So this is one of my new favorite dies, banner dies, I should say, to use. And this is from the Chamel gift bag die. And it comes in like a set of several dies. And this is one of the banners. And I just used one of the holographic papers that I had purchased from, I can't remember if it was from Hobby Lobby. I think it was from Hobby Lobby. And this is actually a specialty paper with adhesive on the back. So it's like a sticker. And so all I did was peel off the backing and then put it on cardstock. And then I glued it down. And then this is one of the cupcake unicorn from Michael's, one of the dimensional stickers that I absolutely love that I picked up recently. And then I just used some twine from Target. So that is my last tag there. So I hope you guys liked my my card and my tags, and I will be wrapping this up. So stay tuned, because I am going to make a few toppers, just a little bit of topper so that, you know, topper, what do you call it? Embellish some toppers, I should say, so that I can package this and give it to my friends. So thank you so much for watching. I can't even talk anymore. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great weekend. Bye.